Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can block someone on Snapchat. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. To do this, you have to log into your Snapchat account, and once you logged into your account, you will come in this camera section and go to chat box, and then you will see your chat history, or there you will find your friends, and you want to block them. You have to do is simply press on their title or the name. So you can see over here bunch of options. Over here you can simply click on manage friendship, and there you will find these 3 or 4 options. Over here you can report that person that you want to report it, block or remove friend, or you can edit their name as well. So to block this person, you have to do is click on the second option over here. Once you click on that, you will see over here this option. So you have to do is click on block, and then it's gonna be blocked from this. And you can see over here, go to settings, and then scroll up and up. You will see over here block option over here, that there you want to see your block friends. So you can check it out from there. You can search it over here like that. You can see over here blocked user. So once you click on that, you can see these persons over here that you have blocked, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.